Given today's endless flow of information, we all would love an assistant to help us stay productive. Presenting TicNote, the first smart voice recorder with an AI agent called Shadow. This almost weightless device will save you many hours of routine work. Use TicNote in every meeting, phone call, or lecture. It will capture what you want, and within minutes will convert audio to text by speaker, create focus summaries, task lists, or even podcasts. Plus, TicNote can do what other AI note-takers can't. Shadow AI securely stores your recordings and imported documents in your private knowledge database, and studies them. Then it can answer any questions related to your materials, or literally any questions on any subject, using one of the top 10 AI models which you select, right in the same chat. With all of this, TicNote is much more than an AI note-taker. It's your AI executive assistant.